In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert grid on Google Ads, just like this. So to do that, launch Google Ads. When you launch your Google Ad, normally it looks like this by default. So the essence of putting grids that it helps you to quickly know where the place you are working on belongs to. So to do that, for instance, let's say you are working somewhere here. So to put grid on it so that it can know the zone or whatever it belongs to, come to view and you see grid. So check it. Once you check it, the whole map will be gridded. So with this, you'll be able to know the place you are working, the grid it belongs to. So this is the simplest way to put or to grid your map in Google Ads. Please subscribe to this channel.